We will skip this function for now. The GhostLock that uses foreground service camera declaration to run a foreground service that uses camera in background in combination with accessibility service device admin manager to capture the image of any intruder who unsuccessfully tried to unlock the device. So the device admin manager and accessibility service work together to find out if the intruder has entered a wrong password. If yes, then the foreground service that has declaration for foreground camera service is started. Its method is called to take the photograph, and once the photo is taken, the service is closed. And again, next time when the intruder does the same process is repeated. So it is used to capture the photo of intruder in background in combination with the accessibility service and device admin manager. As I previously mentioned, this is a type of alert that is generated, and the user needs to provide the permission, camera permission, and turn on this so that the image can be captured using the foreground service and accessibility service in combination with device admin manager detects wrong password info.